Hey, welcome to TheCook. In this video, we're going to cook one full course meal using one dish. And this dish is going to start off with 4 chicken breasts that we're just going to put inside. And we're going to make sure we try to braise them to a nice golden brown on either side of the chickens. So once we get one side golden brown, we're going to flip it over, get the other side golden brown. And once we get them all the way we like it, we're going to remove the chicken from the dish. And this is a Ninja Foodi NeverStick pan, so it doesn't require any additional oils or any oils at all. So from this, I'm just going to throw some vegetables right on top. And these are frozen vegetables. You can use fresh vegetables if you desire, but frozen is all I had at the time, so that's what I use. Also, I'm going to put some onions in. However, I decided to blend my onions. Now, over blended it, so it's more like an onion puree, but you can slice and dice your onions and put them in there and cook them until your onions start to become a little translucent. And right now, I'm just going to throw in some peppers on top. You can throw in any peppers you like. I just had green peppers on hand, so that's what I use. But you can use yellow, red, or any peppers you desire. And we're just going to let this cook for a while, and then we're going to stir it up. Make sure you stir it. And again, this is a Ninja Foodi NeverStick pan, so I do not need any additional oils. And then we're going to add 1 cup of white rice. And this rice is going to be dry, so 1 cup of dry white rice. And of course, it's going to be hard, but we're going to cook this until it becomes a nice golden brown. And then we're going to add 2 cups of chicken broth. And this is where your rice is really going to start cooking like rice is intended to cook. And again, it's going to be 1 cup of chicken broth. And once we get all this liquid into the pan, we are going to let this boil for about 3 to 5 minutes. And then once we do that, we're going to add our chicken breast back in. I threw some lemons on top just for some decoration. And then I'm going to take this pan and put it inside my oven. So make sure you have an oven-safe pan. So this is going to cook for 35 to 45 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And this is your final dish. Full course meal, one dish.